Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide your Instagram following and followers list. It is really quick and easy, so let's jump straight right into it. First of all, open your Instagram app. And now, for example, let's go to Routine of Nepal Banda. And if we tap on followers, we can see all of the people who are following Routine of Nepal Banda and also who Routine of Nepal Banda is following. And the same for our account as well. If we tap on following, we can see everybody who I'm currently following and also everybody who currently follow me. So now, in order to hide this, there is only one way you can do that. That is by going to the three lines on the top right corner of your screen and then going to settings. Now go to privacy and then choose private account. So if your account is private, nobody will be able to view your followers and following list unless they follow you. So that is the only way you can hide your Instagram following list. There is no way to have your account public and hide your following or followers list as of now, but Instagram might add that feature in the future. For now, this is our only way, but if there's a specific account which you don't want to see your following or your followers list, you can simply hide it from them by restricting their account. So now, in order to restrict an account, simply go to their profile and then tap on the following. After that, you can see an option named restrict, and now if you restrict the account, they will not be able to see your following or your followers list. So those are the only way how you can hide your Instagram's following or followers list. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.